blowing hot air, so, and this one keeps on dancing. I'm on my way back to Target, or just the area, because there's a lot of stores there. I'm gonna go inside and get some AC action. You know what I mean? It's very hot. It's making my phone overheat. When it's overheating, it slows down and doesn't allow me to
turn right, then turn left.
It doesn't allow me to use my phone. So I can't deliver anything when that happens. I have to wait until the sun goes down so I can make more deliveries and do it properly without sweat and stress. Okay, I'm gonna go to a very shady parking spot. Okay. Perfect. It's freaking hot. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go to maybe Home Goods. It's right there. I'm gonna show you. It's right there. There's also Burlington and Ulta. I could go anywhere I want. Do you see my sweat? I am struggling here. I'm just letting the air in and just hanging out in my car. I'm gonna let my sweat dry a little bit before I go to the store because that's uncomfortable for me. I think I'm just gonna roll all the windows down. And also this thing over here. There. That's gonna let fresh air inside. Oh my gosh. My phone is at 61% and it drains so fast. This feels so nice. I'm just gonna hang out here. All I'm seeing are trees. I'm gonna show you. That's what I'm seeing here. You know what? I always have this jump starter with me because I'm scared that my car is gonna break down while I'm driving, and I can use this to charge my phone right now. I'm gonna charge it because I don't want to turn on my car. You see this? I'm gonna show you. That's the thing that you connect here, and USB in, USB out. I don't know which one I should use. Oh, okay, this is to charge this thing, and this one is to charge my phone. I'm gonna take it here. As you can see, my car is really old, so that's why I'm struggling with the AC. Oh my gosh. I recommend you guys to get one of these because there you go. You gotta charge this thing up. It's working, guys. Look. It's charging my phone. I'm just gonna wait here and then I'll update you in a little bit. I'm also getting very, very thirsty. As you can see, my face is looking oily. I always have my water with me and some electrolytes in my small belt bag. Like this one. This is passion fruit flavor. It's passion fruit. You can see that. It has 5 vitamins and 7 electrolytes. Yeah, I'm gonna drink this right now. I'm so dehydrated from sweating so much. This smells so nice. Yesterday I went to Michael's. It's right in front of me over here. And they have a buy one get one 40% off. I got more paint. Just the big ones that I always use. Like I just get the colors that I always use in big sizes. Like 3 of those, 1 black, one beige, and I don't know, I don't remember the other one. Oh, the other one's brown. So I can paint a lot of face. So I can paint a lot of faces. I'm just observing my surroundings, guys. It's been 20 minutes and yeah, I think I'm ready to go in the store. I got my phone up to 64%. It added like 10%. So now I'm gonna go. Okay. It's a little bit cooler now because it's now, oh, what time is it? It's 7:21. I'm just waiting for my last orders. Maybe a bundle or just one order, and then I'm gonna go home after. Let's cool down inside a store. Maybe TJ Maxx. Maybe TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I don't know why I do that. I forgot to tell you that I finished like half of this. Even if it's not really a cold water, it hydrated me really good. Let's go. Right now I'm just enjoying the air outside. Letting my butt dry out. It's so cold in here now. I ended up buying some snacks from Home Goods. I got this veggie straws and this Emmy's organic coconut cookie. I got hungry, so I just grabbed some snacks. I got an order too. It's a bundle and it's just a few items, so I'm not really rushing. So the delivery window is from 9 to 10 and it's only 8:30, so we're good. When I got inside my car, it smelled like passion fruit. It was this thing. And also I need to pee so bad, but I can wait a little bit. I just need to eat. I saw some stuff from TJ Maxx. I got the SPF Aveeno thing. It was like $5.99, but then I saw the line. It was so long, so I didn't continue. I just put it back on the shelf and went to Home Goods. That's how I ended up with these snacks. What? Okay, I'm gonna eat some of it. This doesn't work. I'm gonna eat some of this and then go do some ship shopping. I have some scissors in my bag, just a small one, so I can open things like this, because I always need to open something. I can't open it So I have this tiny little Caesar. I have this little Caesar. Why is it weird to say Caesars? So funny. Now it's open. This is like $3.99. I don't know. It says coconut cookies, dark cacao, soft and chewy. I wanted something that will solve my hunger right now. It's 100 calories and the ingredients are coconut, agave syrup, cocoa powder, almond flour, coconut oil, vanilla extract, Himalayan salt, organic. Okay, all organic. Sounds great and tastes great. It says all good everything, gluten-free, grain-free, vegan. Okay, this is good enough. Now I can go back to Target. I'm gonna go pee and then go shop for those customers. Let's go. Time to work. You know, this part of my hair, this part is bothering me. It's like very thin. Is it just my hairline? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. Okay, I finished shopping. I got everything and now I'm gonna go deliver it to the customer's address. Yeah, let's go deliver some stuff. So for both addresses, it's 15 minutes away and then I'm gonna go home. I can't wait to eat real meals. My AC is still struggling to be cold. It's still not cold. I'm at a Target parking lot and they turned off the lights because it's 10 and they're closing. I just wanted to finish up this video and I finished all my deliveries. I'm gonna go home soon. I just stopped by here for the lighting and so I can take this in my car so I can talk in my car. I keep on repeating myself. I'm just gonna repeat this recording because the AC was bothering me and it's not even blowing cold air anymore. I don't know if it's broken now or tomorrow it's gonna be a new day and it's gonna be cold again. It's a moody car like me. I want to look back next year and see what adventures I've done, things that I've experienced, and all those simple things that I just want to look back to, and that's it. It's like a diary. I always get a mini heart attack because I always think that my what's this, belt bag is missing. I always put it here beside me so it doesn't go anywhere, like doesn't slide whenever I brake too hard or something. That's it for today, and don't forget to subscribe if you like my vlogs and want to see more of my vlogs, to see more of me in the vlogs. I don't know. Okay guys, this is the end of this video and see you later. Bye bye. I'm just uncomfortable to talk because the car in front of me has a person inside, and I don't know what they're doing. I feel like they're watching me even though they're not.